The letter P makes the P sound. P. Can you say P? Very good. Now, let's do it together. Let's see some words that begin with the letter P, P sound. Pen, P, P. Pen. Paint, P, P. Paint. Purple, P, P. Purple. Now, take your turn to practice the words. Pen, pen. Paint, paint. Purple, purple. Let's chant. Now, sing with me. Are you ready? Peter's got a pen and a pen. His pen is purple, purple. Peter likes to paint, paint, purple. Now let's sing again. Peter's got a pen and a pen. His pen is purple, purple. Peter likes to paint, paint purple. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson. Bye.